If you want to try out smart home lightings and don't know where to start because there are too many brands on the market, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to invest a small amount and start simple, using IKEA's thread-free lights with standalone controller switch. For more advanced setup, connecting and controlling via mobile phone app and digital assistants, I'll be making another video soon, so do subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. If you'd like to learn more about my personal tech gadgets and how I use technology to simplify my life, consider subscribing. I hope my channel content is useful to as many of you as possible. You can support my channel by buying me a coffee too. Use the link in the description down below. Cheers! This is the first time I bought IKEA smart lightings. I've been using Philips Hue for more than a year now, and I have more than 10 Philips Hue lights. But I thought of trying out cheaper IKEA smart home lighting systems. I started with these two combo packs because I want to try out the two different types of IKEA switches and the two different types of bulbs at the same time. I bought them at a discounted price too. These IKEA thread-free bulbs looks pretty much the same, but they are quite different in terms of the brightness and white balance control. This one on the left is brighter. It's an 11 watt LED bulb that produces 1000 lumen, whereas the other one is 8.9 watt and produces 806 lumen. The other difference with these bulbs is the color temperature adjustments, which is our typical warm white, cool white, daylight color settings. So look at this icon. This bulb is a single color temperature bulb, while this other one allows us to vary the color temperature, which is why this controller has more buttons. These adjust the brightness, and the other two arrows adjust the color temperatures. And this other combo pack comes with an on-off switch only because the color temperature cannot be adjusted. The bulb brightness is still dimmable using this switch by holding on to the buttons. Now let's open up these boxes and try them out. Both the boxes comes with a bulb, a switch, the battery for the switch, and the manuals. I don't know why this one comes with two manuals though. Anyway, pause if you want to look at the content of the manual. The switch comes with a magnetic base, and like all IKEA products, their plastic is made of high quality plastic. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Now this on-off dimmer light switch also has a magnetic base that you can mount on the wall. Now that I've got both the bulbs out, I realized the left one is actually significantly heavier. I wonder why. The good thing about getting this combo pack is they come with the switch and the bulbs already paired. If you are getting the switch and the bulb separately, the pairing process is still pretty easy though. Let me show you. Out of the box, the left switch is paired to the left bulb on my screen right now, and the right switch is paired to the right bulb. Now I'm going to pair the right bulb to the left controller now. To start the pairing process, just plug in and switch on the bulbs. Install the battery on the switch. Position the switch less than 5 centimeters away from the bulb. This is why I pushed the other bulb far away. Now press and hold the pairing button until you see the bulb dim and flash once. And that's it. I can now control both bulbs using one switch. And now that the switch on my left is controlling both bulbs, the switch on my right is totally useless. The switch on my right is no longer controlling the bulb, which is previously paired with. We can pair a single switch with up to 10 IKEA devices, as the manual says. Now, on to some ideas of how I use this bulb and switch combo pack. With the bulb that can vary color temperature, I installed it on my study lamp, so I can adjust the color temperature and brightness when I'm shooting my product videos. I can easily cycle through the color temperature and adjust the brightness to the optimum results to shoot my video. I have the switch conveniently sitting on my desk, so I can control this lamp easily. As with the other bulb, I took it a step further and integrated it with my Samsung SmartThings hub, so I can do things like this. It's pretty cool, right? If you are just starting to venture into home automation and smart lighting systems, I highly recommend getting these switch and bulb combo packs for a start. When you are happy with them, you can then add the IKEA thread-free gateway hub, where you can connect to Wi-Fi and control your lights through the IKEA HomeSmart app. This IKEA HomeSmart app is available on both Android and Apple iOS. And if you are even more adventurous, you can jump straight into Samsung SmartThings Hub instead of installing the IKEA thread-free gateway. Samsung SmartThings Hub is a lot more powerful and can connect to multiple other smart home systems like Philips Hue and IKEA all at the same time. Zigbee is the magic protocol that ties the multiple systems together. More on this type of advanced topic in my future videos. Now drop me a comment if you'd like to find out more about all this. I'm happy to answer any questions. Now overall, IKEA Smart Light Systems works really well and is really affordable. As at the time when this video is published, IKEA in my city has this light bulb discounted from $15 half price down to $7.50. This is a super cheap price for a home automation light bulb. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to IKEA to get some more of these light bulbs before the discount ends. Oh, remember to like this video and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks! I'll see you in the next video.